Okay, let's press on with our tips for Algebra 2 Math and SAT Math. Okay, here the question for today is we have a circle with the center 0, 7, and a radius with an end point 3 fifths, comma 6. What is, the main question is, what is the equation of the circle? Okay, so, all right, so you know your key terms or phrases dealing with equation of a circle, right? Okay, we've been given the center and an endpoint of the circle. So try and draw a picture, right? If you draw a picture of what's going on, okay, it's going to look something like that. So you have the center 0, 7, right? And it's another point of it is somewhere, let's say 3 fifths, comma 6. Okay, so how do you write equation of a circle? Let's say we're doing the standard form. It is x minus a all squared plus y minus b all squared equals r squared. This you need to know. Okay, what are a and b? Okay, a and b, okay, a and b forms the center of the circle. So if you know the center, you just do x minus a all squared, y minus b all squared, and then if you know the radius squared. Okay, so now we go to the question. What have we been given? We know the center of the circle. So it is 0. The center is 0, 7. So we've got that. So we can write x minus 0 all squared plus y minus 7 all squared equals r squared. We look at the picture. Do we know our radius? No, we don't know the radius, but the radius is the distance from the center to an end point, a point on the circle, right? So now how do we calculate that distance? Now you pull your distance formula, okay? You subtract the x's, you square it. You subtract the y's, you square it. And then you add them and take a square root of it. Okay, so pay attention to it. That's the formula. You need to know that one. Okay, so now we need to find our r because it's not given to us. So then we subtract our x's, the 0 minus 3 fifths, and then we square it. We subtract our y, 7 minus 6, and then we square it, right? Doesn't matter if you do 3 fifths minus, because you're going to square it, so it doesn't matter which one. But you have to subtract your x's. Do not confuse your x and y's. You have to subtract your x's and then your y's. Okay, so we do that, right? And then we get to where our r is equal to square root of 34 over 25. That's our r, right? So that's our radius. Okay, so what do we need? Our r is that means r squared is 34 over 5. You get it? If r equals square root of 34 over 25, then r squared is 34 over 25. So be careful. You need r squared, not r. So now we come and write x minus 0 all squared, which is x squared, plus y minus 7 all squared is equal to 34 over 25. You're done. Okay, so you need to know the standard form right here. Okay, and then the distance formula. AB is the center. Do that, and there, that's your answer to this question right here. You are done. All right, so more exercises to come. Okay, I'll send you the worksheet. Keep on practicing, and all shall be well, all things being equal. Cool. All right. Have a good day.